Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe before you watch this video. Today, I will tell you the news of cryptocurrency or Bitcoin.news. So let's watch this video. Clearly, the will to build a better society does exist. Swap word, we must use it to secure the great reset that we so badly need. That will require stronger and more effective government. Though this does not imply an ideological push for bigger ones, and it will demand private sector engagement every step of the way. The way a founder adds, the insane great reset disparaged by critics. Newly created International Liberty Forum aims to push back against the Great Reset. To this very day, a great number of people are very much against the WEF Great Reset idea, and the subject has been commonplace on social media since the end of 2020 last year. Fact checkers were deployed to social media sites like Twitter and Reuters to fact check report claim. The World Economic Forum does not have a set goal to have people own nothing and be happy by 2030. Despite statements like this and the establishment fact checkers, many observers believe the Great Reset is a collectivist. Actor and political activist Russell Brand discussed the Great Reset in April 2022. Brand Great Reset video got 1.8 million views on Facebook, and approximately the reboot agenda subject is still topical to this very day, and social media. It is discussed on a daily basis. Matt Gubba, the CEO at WEB3, a finance broker based in Marlow, England, talked about the creation of the International Liberty Forum in order to fight the Great Reset concept. Our fight back against the wave is underway, Guba told his Twitter followers on Thursday. I'd like to introduce you to the International Liberty Forum over the coming weeks. We will be working hard to build a platform to push back against the Great Reset and St. Claus packing. This battle can be won. Canadian conservative Paul Mitchell from the White Rose Independence Party of Alberta, a provincial political party in Canada, claims central bank digital currencies are part of the Great Reset plan. The wave is pushing to end cash and replace it with central bank digital currencies as part of their insane Great Reset, Mitchell said, sharing a Zero Hedge article about the cashless society. The people in the UK are apparently not cooperating and are using cash more and more. Canadians should do the same, Michael added. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget like, comment, share and subscribe.